Hello friends, I hope you are all doing great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel voidloopbytes. Today we are diving into an exciting project, how to send the DHT11 sensors data to ThingSpeak dashboard and plot the graph using ESP32 and 16 Crush to LCD with Arduino. Let us get started step by step. Here is what we are working with: a ESP32 development board, a DHT11 sensor, and 16 Crush to LCD with I2C module. Now let us connect the pin of DHT sensor. Signal pin is connected to D4, VCC pin will connect to Vin, ground pin will be connected to ground. For the LCD, ground pin will be ground, VCC pin to Vin, SDA pin will go to D21 and SCL pin will go to D22. That is our hardware setup. Now let us move ahead. Now open the browser and search ThingSpeak on Google. Click here on first search result. This is ThingSpeak portal. To the login, click over here and enter the registered email ID. If you have not registered, then click on create new account. Okay. Let us enter email ID and click on next. Now put here password. Then click on sign in. Now we have to create a new channel. So click on new channel. Type here channel name and we will send humidity and temperature. So we need two fields, field 1 for humidity and field 2 for temperature. Okay. Now write the description. Now it is completed. So click on save channel. This is channel ID, and to see the API key, click on API keys. There are the API keys to write and read. We are going to write the sensors data on ThingSpeak, so we need write API. Copy it and move to Arduino programming. We start by including the necessary libraries. Next, we define our Wi-Fi credential. Replace Wi-Fi underscore take and take at the rate 12345 with your own network name and password. These will be used to connect ESP32 to the internet. Client is object created for internet connection. We define the DHT sensor pin and type. In this case, it is connected to GPIO4 and we are using a DHT11 sensor. The DHT object is created to read temperature and humidity value. Here we set the ThingSpeak channel number and write API key. This allows us to send sensor data to our online dashboard. Paste here write API key. Okay. For channel number, let us go to ThingSpeak. This is channel ID. Copy and paste here. Create here LCD object with I2C address 0x27 and LCD type 16 column and 2 rows. In the void setup function, start the Wi-Fi connection with SSID and password. Initialize the DHT sensor and LCD. Display a connecting Wi-Fi message. It will retry Wi-Fi connection up to 10 times. If successful, it show Wi-Fi connected and DHT sensor ready on LCD. Finally, we initialize ThingSpeak to prepare for data upload. If Wi-Fi connection will be failed, then it will show Wi-Fi failed and check network on LCD. Now in while loop function, it will read humidity and temperature from DHT sensor. If the reading fail, it show sensor error on LCD. Otherwise, it display temperature and humidity on LCD. Then it send the data to ThingSpeak. Field 1 is humidity, field 2 is temperature. Finally, it push the data using channel number and API key. Then wait 10 seconds before repeating the process. Now code is ready. Let us select the port, go to tool and port. Select here ESP32 related port. To select the board, again go to the tools and board ESP32 Arduino and select ESP32 dev kit v1. Okay. Now it is time to upload the code. Click on upload. Okay, there is an error. Error is there is no ThingSpeak.s file. We have to install it. Go to Sketch and include library, then manage libraries. Type here ThingSpeak to search library. This is ThingSpeak library by MathWork. Click on install. Okay, now installation is completed. Again click on upload. Wow, you can see the code has been uploaded. It is printing humidity and temperature. Let us go to ThingSpeak dashboard. Click on private view. You can see here temperature and humidity data is updating and graph is plotting here. Wow, great. And that's it friends. I hope you enjoyed this project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next one.